Hi honeys, how's your day going so far? Mine is going fine. Okay, I'm getting ready to make some beef stew, but it's going to be more like a soup because it's going to be juicy. And I'll be using my crock pot. So here's the meat I'm going to use. I'm going to wash it and let's start it out. I'll be putting some salsa in it. I got some frozen string beans in the freezer. I'll be putting a can of string beans in here and a can of sweet corn and some mixed vegetables. Oh, and I cut up some potatoes. So they've been soaking in some water. So I'm going to pour this starchy water off and pour that in there too. So, and I'll be seasoning with some Knorr chicken bouillon powder. This is good. And I'm also going to use the jollof rice seasoning. This is good for everything. So, I'm going to wash the meat, then I'll be back. Okay, got my cut up potatoes in there in some liquid. I rinse the meat off. Putting that in there. Okay, here's my frozen string beans. That's the good thing about using a crock pot. You just dump it all in there. I was going to open these string beans. Let me see. Did it pierce the can? Yes, it did. So I have to go on and use them. I'm not putting any more liquid in. So I'm going to turn it on low. Because me and Walter are getting ready to leave for a little while. I'm going to drain this liquid out of here. I do want the corn. I already washed the tops off. I'll drain this liquid. Oops. This up. And I'm going to put in some seasoning. About maybe 2 or 3 tablespoons. I'll say 3. It seasons very well. Okay. I bought this from Amazon. Dump this in there. Jollof rice seasoning. About a teaspoon. It's kind of spicy. I do need some black pepper. Put some more seasonings in here. Granulated garlic and granulated onion. I ain't chopping up no onions. Let me stir this up. I'll be using my ladle today, what my honey's blessed me with. Look at that. Put it here. I'm going to stir it up with another spoon. This wooden spoon. I'm stirring it up so the seasonings can get all in there. Okay, I want the meat to be up under the liquid. I'm hungry. Stomach is talking to me. Let's see if I can open this. Yeah. I smell it. Well, I could have used my salsa that I had from my nachos. Well, okay. Now this has jalapenos, it has onion, it has garlic in it. It's chopped up in it, so I don't have to chop up nothing. So I'm gonna let it slow cook while we're gone. I got some Jiffy mix. I'll make some cornbread. Put this up. And Walter likes rice with his soups and stews. I may or may not make it. I'm going to show y'all how this looks. Right. So this is how it looks. And it's 1 o'clock, 1 p.m. on Thursday. So, notice how much liquid I got in there. Okay. And this is the CROCKPOT brand that I'm using. And I got it on low because we're leaving and I don't want it to cook too fast. Okay, y'all, my food is finally done. Look at that. They look good. Cornbread. And some rice. I want to fix the rice. So I'm going to dip up my plate and I'll be back. Okay, my dinner is finally done. I just dipped up a little bit for now. That's my dinner. I'll put a couple drops of hot sauce in it. Let me show you how the cornbread looks. Just a quick Jiffy mix. Okay. Put some hot sauce in the stove. Taste it. This bowl is hot. I want to taste this broth. I usually make some delicious soups. Your girl can make some soups. Let me see how tender. Okay, the meat's nice and tender. It ought to be. It cooked for about 5 or 6 hours in this crock pot. some good eating, y'all. The savoriness of the soup and the sweetness of the Jiffy Mix cornbread goes well together. Sometimes I put cornmeal in the Jiffy Mix to cut the sweetness. So, I want to thank you all for watching. Give me a thumbs up, leave a nice comment, and subscribe to my channel. And you all have a very blessed rest of the day. Two of my granddaughters about to come over. Okay. Bon appetit. Bye.